First, we're gonna light the oven. Light the oven at 375 degree, and then we're gonna take some butter to grease our pan. If you don't want to use butter, you can also use a non-stick spray to spray the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna add some chicken that was already seasoned to the pan. We're gonna take a piece of foil paper and we're gonna cover it up, then place in the oven. We're gonna place it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 375 degrees. After 45 minutes, then your chicken will come out looking like this, juicy and brown. Not like me, because I'm browner than this chicken, but yeah, it's gonna look like this. Then we're gonna baste the chicken. So I'm using a turkey baster. You can also use a spoon or something small enough to take the water and pour onto the chicken. Then we're gonna pour off the excess in a bowl and we're gonna save it. Don't mind what happened here, the chicken spill. I was so mad, but then I grabbed myself. To that sauce, we're adding some ketchup, some vinegar, and some honey. I missed that step with the honey, but yes, I did add some honey to that mixture. Then we're gonna baste our chicken. You can baste both sides at this time or also dip them in the sauce and add them to it. But for me, I just take my time and baste it to the mere fact that I don't like sauce. So after I add it to the oven for about 5 more minutes, then I'm going to take them out and place them on the rack. And I'm also turning them on the side that I didn't baste earlier. We're going to baste that side and add it back to the oven for another 5 minutes just to get the sauce to stick onto the chicken. So after that 5 minutes, then you can consider the chicken done. This was the end result of the baked chicken. So I'm just tasting. And also there's no need to add anything to the juice from the chicken. You can keep basting and that's it.